What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted. This is the first post I have after the crushing defeat of my Green Bay Packers. Crushing defeat. But, you know, I'm just happy that they made it that far. Hopefully next year they'll get to go a little further. 2 years in a row, losing in the championship game.
Whatever.
Anyway, today we're going to take a look at Magnolia Plaza. It is on the corner of Warm Springs Boulevard and Marsh Bend Trail. Warm Springs Boulevard? Let me make sure I got that right. Warm Springs Avenue. Somebody yelled at me last time when I said Boulevard instead of Avenue or whatever I said. And Marsh Bend Trail. It's right on that corner, right across from Everglades Recreation Center. So we're going to take a look at that. I have some information for you about when it's going to open. Seems like it's going to come soon, but we'll get into that in the video and we'll take a look around the Recreation Center also and see what there is to see. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start out. This is on the eastern side of the plaza here, headed into the plaza from Warm Springs Boulevard, Warm Springs, I keep forgetting what it is, Avenue. And Marsh Bend Trail is to the right of us. It goes on the right side of the plaza. So this plaza right now currently has the Safe Ship is open. That's the only store that's open in the main plaza right next to the Publix supermarket. We're going to spin around here. You can see they're working on all of these little mini malls here in unison. They have quite a few things coming in here. The Publix itself is supposed to be open in February, or that's when they're expecting it to be open. And then they're also going to have a Citizens First, Villages golf cars where you can rent the golf cars or purchase, dental office, a nail salon, a hair salon, a flooring place, a blood drawing place, which I believe is Quest Diagnostics, and then they're going to have a coffee house cafe, the Reveille, I'm not sure, coffee house cafe, and then a barbecue place and a China chef. I don't think a Publix plaza would be a Publix plaza without a Chinese restaurant. So all these places are coming soon. I know for a fact that residents in the area are excited just because there's not a whole lot south of the turnpike. There's really not anything other than the Fenny Recreation Center, which has like the restaurant inside and the Fenny Grill and the live entertainment. But to my knowledge, this is the only Publix south of the turnpike that's accessible by golf cart currently. It's funny because if you search this Publix up, it already has like 3 or 4 reviews where people have waited 30 minutes for a sandwich, but obviously they put their review in on the wrong one. But I guess if they have nice people there, well, I mean, that goes a long ways. You can see the 3 stars that they received for not being open yet, so that's pretty fair. We're going to also take a look at the Everglades Recreation Park. You can see the Safe Ship there. I think that's their 3rd or 4th location in the Villages. It's pretty cool that they got to open already. We're going to head across the street here. We're going to look at the Recreation Center, the pickleball courts, tennis courts. You get to see the softball fields. And then we're going to take a specific look at the nature trails and the area just north of the Everglades Recreation Center. South of the turnpike, they have the walking nature trails, and to my surprise, they actually have a fishing pond, or you're allowed to fish in the pond. And this is the pond I'm talking about here. There's a trail, a walking trail that goes all the way around, kind of called a nature trail, I guess you would say. There's some nature here, but nothing close to Fenny, which actually you'll get to see in the video that we post tomorrow. But we took a close-up look at the dock and all of those areas. With this area being so close to the Turnpike and Warm Springs Boulevard, along with Marsh Bend Trail, Warm Springs Avenue, whatever, along with Marsh Bend Trail, I think that this will be the main hub when they start building the new area in 2023, which is going to be right across the street from this. You're going to see that new medical center, the 2 championship golf courses, and the new area for the residents that work in the villages, not the retirees themselves. So being this central area within that bigger landscape, which is going to be south of the Turnpike, I think that's what you're going to see the majority of this being. There isn't a square in this area, so you're looking at this rec center being the biggest one south of the Turnpike, right off of Warm Springs Avenue, which if you go just north of this on the Turnpike is where Hawkins, Chitty Chatty, Bradford, St. Catherine, all of those places are. St. Catherine, they have almost an entire neighborhood up since last time we looked at it. I drove through there today. I want to say there's like 30 or 40 homes, 30 or 40 more homes there than were there last time we went through. So that'll be interesting to look at when we take a look at that in a couple days. And then you're going to see up here you have the softball diamonds. There's 4 of them together in a circle. They're very nice, really nice complex. That's the Turnpike right there that runs basically east and west, or northwest to southeast, right along this whole area. It's really not that noisy with traffic as you would think. They have a lot of trees there to silence it. You got a basketball court there and a soccer field, which I'm surprised they haven't turned that into kind of like a polo field, much like that northern area in the villages. And then here are all the softball fields, again, well kept. We're going to be taking a look at Fenny coming up tomorrow, and the spring that's over in Fenny, which was pretty cool. We got to see an otter. I don't think I got it on camera, but there are 3 otters, I guess, that live in the area. That's what I spoke to a few of the residents about while I was down there. But that's pretty cool, and it was cool for the kids. The kids really enjoyed this area also, and getting to walk around. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Ethan's making fun of me at the end of this video here. You'll get to see it. But we will see you in the next one.
Hey, what's up, guys?